In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from a Slack workspace or channel. Before we begin, here's the key difference. Removing someone from the workspace completely revokes their access to your organization's Slack. Removing someone from a specific channel only takes them out of that one conversation while they keep access to the rest of the workspace. Keep that in mind as you choose which action you need. Let's start with removing a person from the entire workspace. You must be an administrator to do this. On Slack for desktop or the browser, head to the main menu and go to Tools and Settings, then choose Manage Members. Depending on your setup, you might see Workspace Settings instead. If so, open that and then select Manage Members and Roles. You'll land on a list of everyone in your workspace. Find the person you want to remove. Using the search bar can make this quick if you have a large team. Next to their name, click the three dots to open more actions. From that menu, select Remove from Workspace. Slack may ask you to confirm. Once you do, their access to your workspace is removed, and they won't be able to open any channels or messages within it. A couple of quick notes here. If you don't see the option to manage members or remove someone, your account likely doesn't have admin permissions. Reach out to a workspace owner or admin for help. Also, consider communicating the change to your team so everyone understands why access has changed. Now, if you only need to remove someone from a channel, the process is simpler and doesn't require admin privileges as long as you have the right AGI permissions in that channel. Open the channel where the person is a member. At the top, click the channel details or the member icons to open the member list. Scroll or search to find the person. Click the three dots next to their name, then choose Remove from Channel. That takes them out of this specific conversation, but doesn't affect their access to other channels in the workspace. A few tips to wrap up. If you're unsure whether to remove someone from the workspace or just a channel, think about whether they still need access to other teams or projects in Slack. Removing from a channel is a lighter touch and can be reversed by inviting them back later if needed. For workspace removals, be certain you've captured any important files or context before you proceed, since access ends right away. That's it. Clear, quick, and effective ways to manage access in Slack.